Hello students, in this video on English grammar, we will learn about one part of speech called pronouns. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that you use to refer to someone or something when you do not need to use a noun. Often the person or thing has already been mentioned in a sentence. It is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repeating nouns. For example, I love my brother because he is good. So instead of saying I love my brother because my brother is good, I will use a pronoun he instead of brother. Similarly, Vinita came to school late because she missed the bus. So instead of me saying Vinita came to school late because, and I'll repeat, Vinita missed the bus, I can use the pronoun she instead of the noun Vinita. Kinds of pronouns: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. A personal pronoun is a short word we use as a substitute for the proper name of a person. It shows us the grammatical person, gender, number, and case of the noun it replaces. For example, my sister stood first in class because she worked hard. Again, my sister is a person and we replace it with a personal pronoun called she. Similarly, Mumbai is famous as it is the financial capital of India. So Mumbai is the proper noun, and now instead of saying Mumbai is famous as Mumbai again, we replace it with a personal pronoun it. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, and them are all personal pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to refer to a specific person or thing belonging to a person. For example, I found my book in class, but I could not find you. So, my book shows possession. Okay, your book also shows possession. So, when words are used to indicate the things belong to someone, those words are called possessive pronouns. This is our house, belonging to us. So, our house. Look at these pictures. Mine is the small one. So, mine, my picture. That is a possessive pronoun. My, his, our, mine, his, hers, our, its, and theirs are possessive pronouns. Now we have subject personal pronouns, object personal pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Now, according to number, first person singular, second person singular, third person singular male, and third person singular female, the subject personal pronouns, the subject is something that we're talking about in a sentence. It's first person I, you, he and she according to male and female. Then we have me, you, him and her, which are object personal pronouns, and the possessive pronouns mine, yours, his and hers. Now, we also have third person, not a person but a thing. And for a thing, we use it as it and its. Then we have plural. In plural first person, we have we, second person you, and third person they. Your object personal pronouns will be us, you, and them. And the possessive pronoun, the belonging one, is ours, yours, and theirs. Reflexive pronouns are words that refer back to the person or thing we are talking about. We use reflexive pronouns when the subject and object of the verb are the same. For example, I cut myself. I, subject, object is myself. Okay, so I cut myself when I was making dinner. Here, myself becomes the reflexive pronoun. Similarly, we bought the paint ourselves. So we are talking about we and we are talking about ourselves. The same thing. This is so ourselves become a reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns end in self, self, for singular pronouns like I, me, he or she. Whereas for plural pronouns like we, them, they, we use the plural form selves. Some examples. I can tie my shoe by myself. Singular. Ted bought a book for himself because Ted is a boy. Did you see yourself in the mirror? They did the homework themselves, plural now. Jane bought herself a cake. The dog likes to scratch itself. We made cookies for ourselves. And you ate all the ice cream by yourselves. An indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. The word itself indefinite. It is vague and not definite. Some indefinite pronouns are all, another, any, some, anybody or anyone, anything, each, everybody, etc. Now, this table shows you subject now pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns in one table itself. And here we have possessive adjectives which are not pronouns, but just to show you the difference that my book is a possessive adjective, but mine, the book is mine, is a possessive pronoun. So adjectives do not come in this table. It is just there to show you not to make the mistake between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Let's recap. Pick out the pronouns and state their kind. George was talking to his mother. Here, George is the noun, and we replace the noun by his. So, his is a personal pronoun. Similarly, Mary has made this wall hanging herself. I don't know anything about music. This book is mine and that one is yours. I bought myself this red car. Everything is funny as long as it is happening to someone else. So, I'm sure you will be able to complete this exercise and strengthen your knowledge about pronouns.